Rough week for the trade desk. First quarter revenue for the programmatic ad platform was not what analysts had come to expect, and shares of the trade desk down 18% this week, Andy.
Oh, the challenge of high expectations, Chris. So, I mean, like the trade desk is a programmatic company that serves up ads through algorithms and computers, mostly through online, although they're pushing more into connected TV with the likes of Hulu and Roku as those businesses continue to do really well. Revenues were up 41%. That was a slowdown from 56% last quarter and 60% in the first quarter of 2018. At $121 million in revenues, that was a little better than their management's guidance. But again, it wasn't just lights out as people had come to expect with the trade desk. Again, adjusted operating profits up 31%, ahead of management's own guidance as well, too. The guidance was just a little bit kind of, hey, it's great, but it's not super great. And with those expectations, with a stock price that sells at more than 20 times sales, Chris, if you don't continuing to really destroy your expectations game, it's just not going to do it for investors. And so the stock on that day sold off about 15%. But overall, the trade desk story and why I like this business very much is it continues to do very well, take market share in an exciting, growing space as we think about consuming media in lots of different ways on lots of different devices. And that's going to be driven by advertising over the next 5-10 years, and they're going to play right into that.
Yeah, even with the drop this week, this is a stock that has more than tripled over the past year. So it's the proverbial good problem to have when you get into that range of your earnings report needs to be perfect and your guidance needs to blow away Wall Street. But maybe this makes the stock a little bit more reasonable.
Yeah, I think it does, Chris. And I think for long-term owners of the trade desk or people who are interested in buying, this is a good opportunity now. It's only an $8 billion company competing in a very large market space. So, and they're profitable and they're growing. So I expect that to continue. And I think ultimately the trade desk stock will do well for investors who hold on for 5 years.